Fundamental analysis, investment basics. Fundamental analysis is a method of analyzing a company's financial and economic fundamentals to determine its intrinsic value and future prospects. It involves examining a company's financial statements, industry trends, economic indicators, and other qualitative and quantitative factors to evaluate its current and potential financial performance. Here are some of the key components of fundamental analysis in the share market. Financial statements. The financial statements of a company, including its income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, are analyzed to evaluate its financial health and performance. These statements provide information about a company's revenue, expenses, profits, assets, and liabilities. By analyzing these statements, investors can evaluate a company's profitability, liquidity, solvency, and efficiency. Industry analysis. Investors also analyze the industry in which a company operates to determine its competitive position and future prospects. This involves evaluating industry trends, competitive landscape, and regulatory environment, among other factors. Economic indicators. Economic indicators, such as GDP growth, inflation rates, and interest rates, can also impact a company's financial performance. Investors analyze these indicators to assess the broader economic environment and its potential impact on a company's financial performance. Management and leadership. The quality of a company's management team is also evaluated as a part of fundamental analysis. A company's management and leadership team can significantly influence its financial performance. Fundamental analysts evaluate the experience, track record, and decision-making of a company's leadership to assess their ability to generate value for shareholders. Valuation. Finally, valuation metrics such as price to earnings, PE, ratio, price to book, PB, ratio, and price to sales, PS, ratio are used to assess a company's value compared to its peers. A low PE ratio, for example, may indicate that a company is undervalued compared to its earnings, while a high PB ratio may indicate that investors are willing to pay more for the company's assets than they are actually worth. By analyzing these factors, fundamental analysts aim to determine the intrinsic value of a company and its growth prospects over time. If the intrinsic value is higher than the current market price, the stock is considered undervalued and may be a good investment opportunity. Conversely, if the intrinsic value is lower than the current market price, the stock is considered overvalued and may be a potential sell opportunity. Fundamental analysis is a long-term approach to investing and is often used by value investors who are looking to invest in undervalued companies with strong fundamentals.